Hello everyone, I Dhanesh Dave welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Delhi Films, and in this video I am going to teach you how to cook red gram or arhar ki dal. Many people find it difficult for cooking dal at home, but after watching this video you will be master in cooking red gram or arhar ki dal at home. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel so that you can receive my all latest videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So let's begin. Take half bowl of red gram or arhar ki dal and put it into a pot. Once you put it into pot, put water in it and keep it for soaking for next 30 minutes. Once your yellow dal is soaked for 30 minutes, then take the yellow dal into a pressure cooker. Then maintain a ratio of 1:2.5 and put water in the soaked yellow dal into pressure cooker. Then put salt in the yellow dal. Accordingly your taste you can mix. Then put turmeric powder into the pressure cooker. Remember, you have to mix only two things, turmeric powder and salt. Then cover the lid of pressure cooker. Now wait for at least 5 to 6 whistles. Once your dal is cooked with the pressure cooker, after cooking you need to fry your yellow dal, and for frying you need tomato, green chili, garlic and onion. So once you are ready with this vegetable, you need to chop the tomato in this manner, your onion in this manner, your green chili in this manner and your garlic in this manner. So chopped it into small pieces so that you can give it a fry. So now this is time to fry your yellow dal. To fry your yellow dal, you need to keep wok on the gas stove with a low flame and put oil in it. Now to fry you need all these masalas ready with your hand. I will tell you which masala you need to put in your oil and when. Now first you need to put cumin into the oil, cumin seeds. So wait till cumin turn green. Next you need to put the garlic which you chopped earlier. Once you put garlic, next you need to put onion. Be careful while you put onion into the oil. The next you need to put green chili, chopped green chili into the oil. Remember, we are doing this process for frying. Then mix it by using a ladle. Now wait till your onion turn translucent. So you can check your onion has completely turned into translucent, and now it is time to mix chopped tomato in it. So mix the chopped tomato and mix it by using a ladle. Now this is time to mix other masalas like coriander powder, red chili powder. That's it. These two masalas you need to mix and mix it well by using a ladle, and keep your flame on the low. Leave it until your tomato get fizzy. Now mix some water in it, in your frying masala, just little bit of water, and now you can see that your tomatoes has started getting melted. Once it start getting melted means it is cooked completely, because it is going to mix with the all other masalas like onion and other masalas which you have put in it. So now this is time to open your pressure cooker and check the yellow dal has cooked completely or not. So once you will open your pressure cooker, you will get this result. Now by using a ladle, check your yellow dal. So it has completely cooked. It is time to mix this yellow dal into the masala which we are frying. And how will you check your masala has cooked? It leave the oil once it is get cooked completely. We'll show you closer view so you can see the masala is complete ready. Now it is time to mix the yellow dal into it. So now mix the yellow dal into the wok by using a ladle. So once you mix your yellow dal into the wok, just stir it by using a ladle slowly. Now keep it for at least 4 to 5 minutes until it get a complete boil. So you are watching the boil has come. Now we will check whether dal has cooked completely or not. So now your yellow dal is ready to serve. You can check it with a ladle. So now your yellow dal is completely ready. It is ready to be served. Now you can turn off the gas and remove it from the gas.